As distribution companies, we focused on them yesterday. Let's put the spotlight on them once again today, this morning. Sonal, morning.
Good morning, Prashant. Well, yes, it has finally been confirmed that there has been a cut in gas allocation to these city gas distribution companies. This is basically the raw material which is supplied to them. The domestic gas prices are lower than the imported gas prices. Now, the company says that the gas allocation has been cut by 20% from the 72% levels. This means that this sector will get only 50% domestic gas in their kitty in sourcing. This is due to lower gas production from lower fields, gas requirement of new city gas distribution companies, and now gas is also required for the petchem plant of ONGC, which is Opal. And on the back of this, IGL and MGL say that this will impact profitability. Company is in discussion with key stakeholders to minimize the impact. As I said, the impact would be lower earnings because now they will have to import gas, which is around 50 to 60% higher in terms of prices. This would mean a margin compression. Jefferies says that EBITDA per SCM would fall by around 2.3 to 3 rupees per SCM for all these three companies, which would be around 24 to 30% of their Q1 EBITDA. They will need to take a price hike of around 6 to 7% to make sure that this impact does not come in their books. But if they do that, they take a price hike, volumes will be impacted. This would mean there is a possibility of a sector derating, according to Jefferies. ICICI Securities says that around 4.5 to 6 rupees per kg price hike is needed. If price hike is not taken, EPS impact could be anywhere between 20 to 32%. The highest impact being on IGL at around 32%. But there is a possibility that now that the assembly elections are coming, this could limit their ability to hike prices and pass it on to customers. In case that happens, they will take a hit on margins. But if they increase prices, they'll take a hit on volumes. So in both the cases, it will be a hit on their profitability.
All right, Sonal, thank you very much for that. So that city gas distribution companies, price increase is needed. But even after that, will there be any damage to earnings trajectory? Stocks in the pre-open are down sharply, 4% each on IGL, MGL. Gujarat Gas is down about 2% or so.